Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And no, we no need none of that. Now welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase, another one. We got bring another important reason on the topic of dancehall, entertainment, and also current affairs. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, what's a shape on the vlogging truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this is definitely serious news. Defense attorney Bert Samuels rejects calls to allow prosecutors to appeal. Meaning, if a person is acquitted by the courts or has their sentence appealed and then acquitted, the prosecutors can also appeal your appeal and have the freedom of any individual who is awarded that freedom taken back. This sound like the state of something to cook up. I make an hear what go on, and then we will continue reason, viewers and subscribers. I want you to look, and of course, I want you to listen.
Myself and other members of the defense bar are deeply troubled by the state's attempt to give the prosecution another bite at the cherry in terms of trials. It is a notorious fact that the legal system is full of delays, that the Court of Appeal is overworked, that judgments from the Court of Appeal are taking 2, 3, 4 years to be delivered. We now intend to put another tier of litigation. It flies in the face of certainty. It is almost an affront to the jury system where a jury has given its verdict. It puts the judiciary in a light which is so unfavorable. Persons who have been awaiting their decision in the Court of Appeal are going to wait a year or two longer now because the court has additional work to do. That balance I don't know about. What I know is that justice delayed is justice denied. And that's what I am concerned about. When a person is acquitted, they move on with their life. They go back to their family, their community, and move on with their life. That won't happen now. That will always be hanging over the heads of a defendant. That even if I win my case, I may be dragged before the court again by a prosecutor, a zealous prosecutor. Will there be legal aid for persons who wish to appeal? And that legal aid will have to be paid for by the Jamaican citizens. There is an unseen hand directing the course of this new amendment, which is troubling.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, now let's continue the reasoning. Now, defense attorney Bert Samuels says the proposed legislation to allow prosecutors to appeal rulings is troubling and signifies there is what he calls an unseen hand at play. And he says this legislation could see persons acquitted of crimes being forced to fork out great sums of money to defend their case before the court a second time. Now, he also went on to say there's already an uncomfortable delay in the justice system where judicial matters are concerned. He says this additional layer will put the system in what he says an unfavorable light. People feel like there is no justice and will also result in further delays in the court system. And he said an acquitted person won't have peace, having to wonder whether their case will be called up before the court again, because you're not gonna know until you get that call that, say, prosecutors on your case have appealed the ruling handed out to you. Now, the Justice Minister also had things to say as well. He says the justice system has long since acknowledged the imbalance between the state and accused. This has resulted in certain safeguards to protect the accused, such as the burden of proof and double jeopardy rule. He also stated something that I find very interesting, viewers and subscribers. He said the scales have tipped, requiring a breakaway from some of the traditional rules. He uses, for example, fresh evidence coming to light after an acquittal, or in instance due to an acquittal resulting from actions designed to pervert the course of justice, otherwise known as administration of justice offences, which a lot of that has taken place in high-profile cases such as Vybz Kartel, Tommy Lee Sparta, and numerous other individuals who are not stars. But think about it, in a Spartan case, after his whole situation was, he pled guilty, he was sentenced, then after that, ballistics reporter found out. Now Vybz Kartel's case, the evidence used to secure the conviction was tampered with. Evidence was removed, evidence was misplaced, the phone itself was being used while in the custody of the JCF. Now, double jeopardy is the principle that an individual cannot be prosecuted twice for the same offense. That means if them tell us, if you move the bicycle and put it over the wall, this is what they accuse you of. And you go to court and prove say it was not you who moved the bicycle and put it over the wall. They can never come to you again, even if them find something fresh for say, are you. Now they're saying in that case, this have to change. Because let's say they find fresh evidence for Ray. As far as I can see is, they are removing the so-called safeguards from the accused and giving more strength to the prosecutors. Would this help to curtail crime? Is this just the justice system beefing up the powers of the justice system? Truth be told, what is sad is that they have said they have asked for the public to give their opinion on this new legislation that will affect every single citizen here. And they're saying that to date, they have had no comments from the public. I just see this now. And all my see it are because Bert Samuels reject what them say. So tell me if you did see this on news. Tell me if you hear this run on the radio. Because them a call for citizens to voice their opinions on this legislation. But where them a tell people from? Where are they telling people say you go cast your opinions, go talk where you talk? Them not advertise it. And then before long you hear say boom, new rule pass. And this is now law right here upon the land. And say, the people have never said nothing. The people were not aware. In my own personal opinion, I feel like the state have something to cook up. You know what I mean? Them know Vybz Kartel will be freed. I'm gonna know what them a try to have at play. This won't be a case where this can be used though, because Vybz Kartel case is a Privy Council case, so there's no way they will be able to appeal that ruling. But just to hear the Justice Minister found out, and I said this, maybe in light of recent calls by the public saying, what go on with them cases? Will those be cases where the prosecutors appeal sentence upon? I don't feel so. Because those individuals are individuals who are we that call, quote unquote, the links. The right links. Well, the wrong links, but you know it good. The people, the state officials. The ones who can get things going for you beside the scenes. So I don't feel like they're going for these rich and powerful individuals. I feel like they can just be average citizens who feel the brunt of this. Average citizens who have to wonder, say, yo, what go on? And then they're going to appeal a ruling there. You know what I mean? I wonder if, they're going to call later on and tell us, say, yo, you think pop up again. It's going to be very unsettling. Plus, as we Bird say, the fact that people already see the judicial system as one-sided, this will definitely prove them right in some aspect. Because this now is added legislation, not something that is a part of our constitution. This added piece of legislation I got also take away the little right that our individuals have, double jeopardy. The fact that them can't forward after you for the same thing twice, especially for the ones who know they are innocent. It means you have to go try to prove your innocence yet again. If these remember are your tax dollars, it is the citizens who pay the prosecutors. It is different for someone who defend their own case. Them a pay feet themselves. So the prosecutor, it is a job. And whether they prosecute you or someone else, him have to go to work, him have to go to court. So this is just the job for them. For the individual, he must fight for him right. He must fight for him right to freedom. I don't know, but the lawyer sound heavy. I feel like we need to talk about it. We need to fight, voice our opinions as a people about it. The one that sound heavy. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. Yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, but you're just a pass through, like the reasoning, like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. Like icon is also located in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason, join the comment. Join the discussion via the comment section, you know what I mean? Always open 24/7, never lack. Yet just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reason via the comment section. You know, move settings fam, and we no need a ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours of who no live, love, and prosper until the reason again.